Hey, it's me again, your friendly neighborhood mofo driver. I also got this package in the mail today. You know, for as long as I can remember, people have always told me that if you have Craftsman tools and they break, that they will replace them for free. But I never knew if that was true or not. Anyway, I paid $16 for this 10-piece set from Ace Hardware. So I picked up this Ratchet one day and was going to use it, and I noticed that the little gear selector or thumb switch, whatever you want to call it, was broke off. And it just makes it hard to switch the gears. Sometimes I can do it with my thumbnail, sometimes I have to use a flathead screwdriver. And I went to the Craftsman Facebook page and found their email, and I emailed them and asked them if I could get that Ratchet replaced. And the guy told me, well, we don't have that particular model, it's been discontinued, but I can send you a 40-piece set that's valued at $100. And I said, that'd be okay. Check that bad boy out. So with the ratchets and sockets that I already have, plus this brand new set, I'd say I'm set for life on ratchets and sockets. So anyway, boys and girls, the moral of the story is Craftsman is right on.